Hello, welcome back. Today I want to share with you a beautiful, messy updo. It's so simple and perfect for the upcoming wedding season or any special occasion. Now I have a lot of updos on my channel, so I'll link my favorites in the description if you want some more hair inspiration. All right, let's get started. Real quick hair prep because hair prep is key, especially for updos. So first, I lightly spray my sections with hairspray, brush it through, and then curl all of my hair away from my face using a 1-inch barrel. Once cooled, I gently comb through the curls with a wide tooth comb, and this will create beautiful movement throughout the look. And then I added a lot of texture spray, focusing mostly on the crown to add some grip and volume, and this creates the perfect base for updos. Prep done, if only it was that quick. Now section off your hair from your part to the top of your ears and place it out of the way, and then repeat on the other side. Next, smooth back your crown and gather the rest of your hair from underneath to maintain all of that volume and secure into a low ponytail. Next, pinch and pull on small sections of hair all around your crown, and this will add that beautiful volume and movement. Now, divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections, and starting with your right section, loosely twist clockwise towards your face. And then you want to wrap it up counterclockwise over your ponytail. And before wrapping it all the way, you want to anchor the right side of your twist to your head with a pin. And then wrap it down, anchoring your twist to the left side. And then bring your ends underneath and secure them out of the way. Now grab your left section, gently twist it away from your face clockwise, and then bring it to the left side and anchor it into place with a pin or 2, and then bring it underneath your ponytail to the right side. Now any layers that are falling out, just pull them out and they'll add the prettiest texture. Next, secure your twist to the right side of your bun, and if your ends are still out, just tightly twist them and then secure them underneath your twist. Now secure the outside of your bun to your head, and I am using French pins, but bobby pins will work great too. And then go ahead and pinch and pull your twist to add even more volume and texture. Now gather your left section from earlier and pull out any face framing pieces to soften the look, and then twist this section 1 to 2 times away from your face, bringing it over your bun and pinning it to the right side. And then repeat on the right side, twisting it away from your face, bringing it over the top and pinning it to the left side. And then pinch and pull on your new twists to soften them up. And there you have it, a beautiful textured updo. I love how this hairstyle came out. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll link some similar videos in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.